Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how I make my delicious oxtail recipe. I will guide you in making tender and juicy oxtail for you to enjoy. Let's begin. First, we are going to clean our oxtail. Cut your oxtail into your preferred size pieces and proceed to trim off the excess fat around the circumference of the meat. I cleaned my oxtail with salt and lime. This is optional depending on your comfortability with cleaning your meat on surfaces. You will then wash your oxtail with hot water until your oxtail begins to brown. Then, season your oxtail with 1/2 of a tablespoon of turmeric, black pepper, lemon pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, ginger powder, parsley, and steak seasoning. Then add 1 packet of red Goya seasoning and 1 tablespoon of the hot sauce of your choice. Then add a heaping 2.5 tablespoons of Epis seasoning. I will link a video that includes my Epis seasoning recipe here. Let your oxtail sit in the fridge overnight to maximize the flavor. Next, oil your pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and place your oxtails into the pan. The goal is to brown your oxtail before cooking them. You want your oxtail to brown until a crust starts to form on the bottom of your pan. This locks in the flavor into the meat. Be patient with this step. Now that our oxtails are beautifully browned, toss them into your crock pot. Along with our oxtails, I cut up some red bell pepper, celery, and carrots, and toss them into the crock pot. If you have some of your juices from seasoning your meat, toss it in the crock pot with a 1/2 cup of water, and let this cook for 1.5 to 2 hours. Now that our oxtails are cooked, remove all the veggies that were added in and place them in a blender to create a paste and set it to the side. Next, add oil to a pot and stir-fry 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and a 1/2 tablespoon of chopped up garlic. Once your tomato paste has browned, add about 1 sliced red onion into the pot. Add about 1 tablespoon of flour as well. This is to add some thickness into our sauce. Add some of your broth from your slow-cooked oxtail into the pot for some added flavor. Then add your paste that we blended previously into the pot and let that simmer before adding your oxtails into the pot. After adding your oxtails, allow this to simmer for 5 minutes for the flavors to set in. This is the point where you taste your sauce and see what seasonings are missing. After tasting my sauce, I added a half tablespoon of accent flavor enhancement seasoning along with a Maggi cube. For a final garnish, I added some fresh parsley into the pot. And there you have it, an extremely delicious and flavorful oxtail recipe to try out. You can serve your oxtail however you please. The preparation of these oxtails are meant to be versatile and easy to pair with any dinner. I decided to serve mine with some fried plantain and stir-fried rice, and added some fries for my little boy. Look at how deliciously tender that oxtail is. I wish you guys could have a bite while watching. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and come back for more. Make sure you like and subscribe and tell me how to improve in the comments. Until next time.
I got too many hoes. I can't hang you. You like to put that shit in your nose.